What's up, folks? Me, man, Mr. B, and I just want to take a few minutes to just, in a manner of speaking, raise a toast to the greatest female sprinter, in my opinion, of all times, and that is none other than Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. Now, we witnessed a few nights ago her collecting the Laureus Sports Award, Female Sports Award for 2022. And of course, that was on the back of what I would like to call a scintillating and banner year for her on the track. Now, Shelly came to prominence as a track athlete in 2006 when she finished third at Champs running for Woolmer. She went on to the University of Technology where she came under the guidance of Stephen Francis, and it took a little while for her to settle into a track and field career. In 2008, she finished in the frame, the top first three in the 100, and was qualified for the 100 meters at the Beijing Olympics. Of course, there were a number of critics who were lobbying the Jamaica, the J3A, to have her stand down so that Veronica Campbell-Brown could defend or basically run the 100 meters for Jamaica because she was a more seasoned athlete, and the feeling was that Shelly, as a little young girl, she had more time left. Thank goodness that the J3A people had enough cojones and they stood by their decision. Shelly faced the starter for the finals after doing the rounds, winning all her heats, her quarter and semi-final, and so she faced the starter for the final and blitzkrieg the field at Beijing as a 21-year-old, where she won gold. She became the first Jamaican at the time and the first Caribbean woman to win a gold medal at the Olympic Games for the 100 meters. And of course, she would follow up that success the following year at the World Championships, where she grabbed her first World Championship title. Now, keep in mind that she had actually gotten a taste of competition at the World Championships a year before that Beijing Olympics. And as she said in her own words, that it basically prepared her mentally. And so when she came up against these big performers, there was no fear, so to speak. Shelly has gone on over the space of her career to amass some 22 medals between the Olympic Games and the World Championships. Starting out in 2006, it means that Shelly, when she faces the starter in Kenya this weekend for the start of our 2023 season, she would have been in track and field for 17 years. This is absolutely unprecedented. What is even more spectacular is the fact that as a sprinter, she has to literally put everything out there. And for her to be running and winning, at this point in her life, in her career, and being this dominant, it tells you how much of a class act and a class athlete Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce is. She won the Laureus Award by virtue of having a banner, a scintillating year as a sprinter. On 6 occasions, she ran the 100 meters under 10.7 seconds. That is unprecedented, as it is unprecedented for any athlete in the history of the sport to be running this well and performing at the top of her game after being in the sport for 17 years. The most durable, the most successful, the most decorated, and without question, the greatest female athlete in the sprints of all times, Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. We as Jamaicans, we're lucky, we're happy, we're glad by our boss that we have her. No finer ambassador can we have than Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. If you listen to her acceptance speech at the Laureus Awards function, your water supposed to run out of your eye like river. That is how good she is. One of the best ambassadors of Jamaica, somebody who success has not impacted her in any negative way. It hasn't changed her. She continues to contribute to our Waterhouse community. Yeah, Waterhouse she come from. Ghetto. And by the expression from a lot of people who come from them community, they no destined for nothing good. But Shelly has literally dispelled all of that. And she continues to give back through her Pocket Rocket Foundation, which I'm proud to say that I'm a supporter of. We as Jamaicans, we're lucky, we're proud, and we're glad. And we want to wish her all the very best as she starts her 2023 season this weekend in Kenya, where she faces the starter for the 100 at the Kip Keino Classic. Just want to, again, wish her all the best as the year rolls through. Wish her all the best for the World Championships in Hungary. And hopefully she maintains her health and her form to take her into 2024 when she goes to the Paris Olympics, which would have been her 5th Olympic Games. Again, no finer individual could we claim as a Jamaican. And I am proud to call her one away. I'm my girl that. And, just again, want to wish her all the very best. If you like the video, I'm going to ask you for just hit the like button. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, it's a good opportunity to do that today. Share the video with your friends. Post it on your page, But more importantly, I would also like to get you guys feedback in the comments section. So until then, we hear from you. I'm Simon Mr. B, and make we just all together wish Shelly all the very best for the coming season. Respect.